Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Philips from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. And right here at the third line we have the button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your headphones, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones, you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. So if you need this, you need to just select Forget this device button. But let's disconnect them. So, disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but still have them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them by just tap at the headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!